Gavin Ace here, the old Parakao store, and another channel we watch here a little bit is Bad Chad, and I don't necessarily like the design of all his cars, but you've got to hand it to the guy. He gets them done. He comes up with some brilliant ideas on how to do things. Quite a bit just from watching his channel on how to do bits and pieces. And it's from Bad Chad is that you've always got to do a design on a chalkboard on what your car's going to look like in the end. Wave.
Hello.
This is our blueprint of our new car. Where's the wheels?
Yeah.
Oh,
there, and there.
Oh yeah, it's a 6-wheeler.
So that's like the back wheel. It doesn't wheel though. It's like going on the back without anything, and yep. And it has tires, 3 tires.
Yeah.
So that tire connects to a invisible trailer.
Oh, cool.
And that's me. That's Gramsci.
Yeah.
That is Elsa, my cat.
Oh yeah, here's Elsa here, look. Elsa.
And that is a circle.
Oh yeah.
And those are love hearts, 3.
So we're going to do a love heart paint job.
Yep. And we're going to paint it like that. So we have to copy that.
Ah, cool. So this is Layla's picture. You've got to view it from the mind of a 5-year-old, but basically I've done a red outline, and that's our Love Heart Roadster that we're building over there. I think it's a pretty good depiction.
I'm Layla's attorney mechanic, and this is me and Gramsci's invisible trailer, and I'm landing on it.
You gotta hold your head. Trailer we just built, and I'll just wind the drawbar up. It's extendable. We couldn't get our invisible wheels. We only got some old ones from out the back, but
my own is
He wants to go. He's had enough.
Okay, let me perform cat. Elsa, and this is my own is trailer. Bye, Mo.
But our next job's to put the floor in the Roadster, or at least frame the floor out and get the body all sitting square off the chassis. But today, Thursday, we're just going to try and fix the doors on the old tow truck. We're sick of them falling off and getting all twisted, so that's today's project. So here's our 2 doors. One's all made of timber, and it's had it, and this is a proper steel one.
Oh, you got them off?
Yep, one off.
One off.
So we're going to try and put this skin, oops, onto this door frame. To work out how we're going to cut this off. So we're going to make this piece here because she's had it, and then we're going to wait till we get the other door off to work out where we're going to take this off to keep the frame. And that stuff's sharp. That's real sharp. Look.
You haven't got those glasses on, have you?
No, I can't see.
I can see trouble.
Well, we sort of got it in where we want it. We're going to tack it in, try to shape it up.
I watched you.
You doing? I'm going to do some welding. Can't watch the welding.
I know.
Cut that, strengthen it up that little bit. So the biggest problem we've got is this corner doesn't line up with the door frame of the wooden door, so we're going to try and make one of these. And probably from that join, see if we can't make one that's very similar. So we just tack that on there, and then I'm going to make this inside piece, and see what happens. And the outer piece is going to be a bit harder, but yeah. All right, so we built one side of it, so hopefully our window fit. So I'm thinking that's going to fit in there. And then we're just going to
we got the statue up there.
build this back piece. And then
Yeah.
I'll have to pull this edge off. And hopefully it'll all fit. Using flux core, so it's a bit messy, but I've cut this lip too short, so you know, I'm just using a hammer and dolly. I'm just going to weld that along there, fill up those gaps, straighten it up with a dolly, trim her off, and should be all magic, hopefully. So we've made a patch up. You know, like it's not perfect, but it's only our old tow truck that we just want the doors to open and shut properly on. So, you know, like it's a bit of a lump in there, but it'll do the job. Weld up these bits on this bottom, and then we'll take all this edge off, and we should be able to fold back the skin edges. We should be able to put it on the door frame. So we've got to get this edge bit that was nailed to the timber out and fold the edge of the door panel back, but they've tack welded it in an odd place, so we're just going to have to go along and try and grind out where it is, in the corners I think, in a few spots, and then try and open that back up. I don't know, I don't know if I'm going to leave rust holes in it, or I might just patch the holes. See what happens. That's basically us. We chipped a bit of paint off here and there. And before I worked out a real good way of getting this back to come apart, we munted that bit. But I've worked out a better way, get the chisel under it. And yeah, it's us really. To tighten up a little bit more. with a steel frame now. I'll put the other little tack in here and here. It'll do the job. So repair we put in. And hopefully the doors will shut decently. And we've just got to set up our runners for the window winders. And find a door panel. Should be all good. If you like our videos, like, share and subscribe, it's most appreciated. We appreciate all our subscribers, and if you subscribe, it doesn't cost you anything and you get our videos as soon as they come out.